This might be redundant, but I thought I would do it anyway. When you place things in Photoshop that are vector files, go to File, Place. Again, I've separated them all out into different pieces. You can see from the preview here, this is the entire cover. This is just the wreath. You can use either the Illustrator file or the PDF. They're both vector files. So I'm going to place that. Make sure that you click Page and crop to Artbox. And then I always put the thumbnail fit to page and click OK. So when it comes in, hold the Shift key down, click and drag from one of the corners. If you drag from the side, it's going to skew it. So make sure to drag from one of the corners and hold the Shift key down to size it up or to scale it up. And then double click in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and put this Photoshop file up also. I've saved it at 2400 by 2400. So it should have the parameters. That'll save you a step there also, and you should be able to just open this up in your version of Photoshop. This is Photoshop CS6. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'll put this and also this video inside that folder that I texted you the information from on the Google Drive. If you want to add white to the background or a color, you can click on the bottom layer. Either one of these can be white. If you do the top one, holding the Option key down, I'm going to switch them. So if I hold the Option key down and hit Delete, it'll fill the background with white. I like to work with the transparent background, and then at the last minute I can change it to whatever color I want to, whether it's white or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it transparent for now.